This is the interior of my 2013 Volkswagen Polo Vivo. And like all VW interiors, it's well thought out, the layout makes sense, and it gives you that big car feeling. But you see, this interior has a problem. It's boring. So in this video, we're gonna fix that with a few mods from Temu.
Damn! Leave a like and subscribe.
YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another basic customs video. And in today's video, like I've explained in the intro, we are going to be modding the Polo with parts from Temu. So I bought 3 mods from Temu and 1 from AliExpress. Now there's a theme I went with, and you'll see as I install the parts one by one. I'm going to be installing the mod from Temu, well, not Temu, from AliExpress last, because I think it's really going to pull everything together. I think it's the pièce de résistance of this video. But if you want to see what that mod is, you are going to have to wait until the end of the video, because I'm going to be installing that last. I think these are really tasteful mods, and without wasting any of your time, let's start with the first one. And for this one I have to remove the negative terminal on the battery. Okay, and I am back. So the reason why I had to remove the negative battery terminal is because our first mod is the, waiting for a different phone, the one-piece headlight control switch fog light knob for VW Bora, Golf 4, Passat, B5, Charan, Lupo, Polo, Beetle. Yeah, game changer, real game changer. So to remove this old one, it's really simple. You're just going to take your hand, you're going to push it in, and you're going to turn it to the on position. And that's why I removed the negative battery terminal, because right now my lights would be on, and when working with electrical connectors, I prefer to be safe. Well, rather safe than sorry. Okay, so I got you guys on the tripod. Basically there's 2 tabs that you're gonna push in. Once you push them in, you should be able to pull out this connector. There we go. Simple as that. Now, if you compare the 2 side to side, you'll see that it is like for like. Except on the original one, you do have some VW and Audi markings. I think that's Skoda Fabia. I don't know which one this is. Maybe somebody can tell me. Anyways, if you look at the connections at the back as well, you will see that it's more or less the same thing. So we're just going to do the opposite of removing the old one. So I'm going to push this in, and I'm going to move it to the side. And as you see, what I like about this is that it's between the off and on position, so nothing happens even if the battery is connected. Okay, now we're just going to take our connector. This notch here, or this empty space here, should be pointing up, and then you're just going to slide it in, and there you go. And it's as simple as just pushing it in and back to the off position. Now it works like the old one. Parks, dims, and obviously you're gonna put your brights here by the steering wheel, by these stocks. But it also has, I think that's the rear fog light, and then the front fog lights. Okay, that's mod 1 installed. Now we are going to be installing the second mod, and the second mod is the car pedals fit for VW Polo, Bora, La Vida, Golf 3, 4, Mark 4, Seat Leon, for Audi TT A1, A3, for Skoda Fabia, brake pads, accessory. That is a mouthful. That's what she said. Anyways, so we're going to be installing new pedals for the second mod. Alrighty, so these are the stock pedals on a Polo Vivo. Also Polo 9 and 3, same diff, and there's nothing wrong with them, but we are going to be replacing them with these bad boys. Let me just get them. I mean, look how nice that is. Isn't this a beaut? Look at the other one. So there's the other one, obviously. And then the accelerator pedal. Wait, you can't even see it. There you go. Accelerator pedal. But first, we need to remove the old ones. Well, that is a kick in the balls. This won't fit on here because one, obviously this doesn't come off, but two, there's more of a gap on this side, like more of a lip here, and there's no lip here for this to like latch onto. Like, I mean, no lip at all. So this was a fail. So I've been struggling for the past hour to try and fit the aftermarket pedals, only to realize that even if I got the small ones on, the brake and the clutch, I wouldn't be able to get the accelerator on, because the accelerator on the Polo Vivo doesn't have a lip on the inside for the aftermarket accelerator pedal to slip over. So then I had to put back the stock ones, and that was even more of a struggle because the rubber is so stiff. I'm done. This made me lose like almost all my confidence in my ability to mod vehicles, which isn't high to begin with. Anyways, I'm now going to replace the gear knob. Alrighty, so the next thing we're going to be replacing is the gear lever or the gear knob, and the one we are going to be replacing it with is the Safari faux leather manual gear shift knob, with dust shield for Volkswagen 2004 to 2010 5-speed Mark IV. I think this one is gonna fit, but let's go ahead and see how it works out. Okay, so to remove the gear knob, we are just going to pull it here in front. Just get a good grip of this material and then just pull it. Oh gosh. Oh wait, am I lying? Maybe I'm lying. Nope, I'm not lying. Oh gosh. Oh, there we go. Oh. Once you've tugged it out like that, yes, it is going to fight you. Oh, broke it. Oh no. Okay, it is what it is. Once we have it out, don't do what I did. Do not break it. All you need to do is loosen the circlip here. Now, I don't have a circlip because I've already done this job once before and it did not go well. So I have a, a hose clamp. Yeah, I have a hose clamp. So I'm gonna do that hose clamp, and then this is gonna pull right off. There you go. Okay. This is nice and loose. Now this should just pull up and out. Like that. Bob's your uncle. Now we have to replace the old with the new. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the new. So compared to the old one, really plain, really cheap. This one is a nice chrome edge around it. Oh, and the numbers obviously are in white. And now just gonna put this up. Go all the way to the bottom. This here. Screw it down. Okay, that's all nice and tight. Now, first one's in at the back, and then in the front. Oh, what is going on now? Oi, oi, oi. That's what's going on. This is too small for this. So now we have to modify. Like this. There we go. This is off. We can then remove the knob. Let's see now if we can fit it. Go away. Just let me see. Okay. Okay. Turned. Okay, there we have it. Look at this beaut. One, two, three, 4, 5, reverse. Okay, so the gear knob was a big success. I'm very happy with it. I'm not happy that I broke something again. I will replace it in future with another OEM one. I'll go strip it from a Polo Vivo that was in an accident or something, I don't know, but I'll get another one. Now for the last mod, like I said at the beginning of this video, I think this mod from AliExpress is really gonna tie everything together, and it's really gonna add that pop to this otherwise bland interior, like I said. But before we get to that mod, I'd like to ask you guys, please subscribe, please leave a like and a comment what you think of these mods. Have you done these mods before? I know I'm not reinventing the wheel, but I am polishing it. So with that out of the way, let's get to the last mod. Okay, and now the moment you guys have been waiting for. This is the last mod I got for this vehicle. I think this is going to be the best mod, the best interior mod for this vehicle. This is from AliExpress. It is the aluminum alloy car air conditioning knob, AC knob, heat control switch button for VW Polo 2004 to 2013 Mark 4, Mark 5, 9N, 9N3, 6R accessories. Again, another mouthful. But yeah, I think these are going to be so worth it. So these are the old knobs, and to remove them, really simple. What we're going to do is we're going to start by moving them all to the top so that we know what the orientation is. Move this number 2 and move this to the window. Now we are basically just going to tug on them like straight back like this towards me, or towards us, I guess, since you guys are watching. And what we're gonna do is we're going to use a cloth or a towel, a microfiber towel, and some pliers so that we don't scratch them. Okay, so got a long nose pliers. We have our microfiber towel. We're just gonna do this. Okay, and then we're going to grab a hold of it. We're gonna pull straight towards us. Nice grip. There we go. Simple as that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes. Oh gosh. What do you guys think? I think these look amazing. Oh. There we go. And there you have it. What do you guys think about the mods that I've installed here today? I think these knobs with this gear knob over here and this light switch over here just adds that little bit of pizzazz, panache, if you would. It adds color, it adds depth to an otherwise plain interior. I like how this knob, the gear knob, goes with this, goes with that. That's super cool. That's super cool. I am a bit disappointed that I couldn't do the pedals, because that would have also now been chrome and black and would look super cool. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I am going to get the pedals off of a Polo Vivo GT. If I have a picture, I'll overlay it here. So there'll be a future mod. There is a couple of other interior mods I want to do on the car. But for now, I'm really happy with the results. And there you have it, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoyed the mods, I fail, please do leave a like, please do comment, and please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.